Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Moneylion's automatic savings feature. So the automatic savings feature allows you to save money automatically by transferring funds from your checking account to your savings account. And here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first you got to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and your password. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the savings section by clicking on the savings tab. Then you got to click on set up automatic savings, and then you want to select the savings frequency. Next you got to choose the savings amount and then confirm the entire setup. Once that's done, you just got to wait for Moneylion to execute the automatic savings transfer in the set time. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how to set up Moneylion's automatic savings feature. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.